Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Now hold it. How long can you go before your lungs scream for air? 30 seconds, a minute, maybe 2 if you push yourself. Now imagine holding that breath for 24 minutes. Sounds impossible, right? Yet that's exactly what the world record holder managed to do. The human body is capable of astonishing feats when pushed to its limits, and breath holding is one of the most extreme. So, how long can you last without air? And what's really happening inside your body when you try? For most people, holding their breath is just a fun challenge, something you do in the pool to impress your friends. The average person can manage about 30 to 90 seconds. If you're in good shape, you might stretch it to 2 minutes. But free divers, those who dive deep without oxygen tanks, regularly hold their breath for 10 minutes or more. How? It's not magic. It's a combination of biology, training, and an ancient survival reflex buried deep in your DNA. When you hold your breath, your body immediately starts adjusting. The first thing you'll notice is the burning urge to breathe. That's not actually from lack of oxygen, it's from a buildup of carbon dioxide. Your brain uses CO levels as a warning signal, like an alarm going off when things get dangerous. But here's the crazy part. If you push past that initial panic, your body has a backup plan. It's called the mammalian dive reflex, and it's the same survival mechanism that lets seals and whales stay underwater for so long. When your face hits cold water, your heart rate slows, your blood vessels constrict, and your body shifts into survival mode, prioritizing oxygen for your brain and heart. This reflex is why some people can hold their breath far longer than seems humanly possible. Free divers train for years to maximize this response, learning to stay calm even when every instinct tells them to gasp for air. But there's a dark side to breath holding. Push too far, and your brain will shut down without warning. It's called a shallow water blackout, and it happens when oxygen levels drop to low. 1 second you're fine, the next, you're unconscious. That's why professional breath holders never train alone without someone to pull them up. They could drown before they even realize they're in trouble. So how do they do it? How can someone hold their breath for 20 minutes when most of us can barely make it past 1? The answer is a mix of physiology and mental discipline. First, they take slow, deep breaths before diving, saturating their blood with oxygen. Then, they learn to ignore the desperate signals from their brain, staying perfectly still to conserve energy. Over time, their bodies adapt, their lungs get more efficient, their blood carries more oxygen, and their tolerance for CO increases. But here's something even crazier. We might have evolved to do this. Some scientists believe early humans had a stronger dive reflex because coastal tribes relied on diving for food. Imagine wading into shallow waters, holding your breath to grab shellfish or spearfishing. Those who could stay underwater longer had a better chance of survival. So in a way, when you test your breath holding limits, you're tapping into an ancient skill buried in your genes. Now, let's talk about the dangers. Holding your breath isn't just a party trick, it can be deadly if you don't respect the limits. After just 4 minutes, without oxygen, brain cells start dying. That's why professional free divers always have safety teams watching their every move. One miscalculation, 1 second too long, and it's over. So, how can you improve your own breath holding? Start by practicing in a safe place, never in water alone. Sit still, take deep, slow breaths, and exhale fully before inhaling deeply and holding. The more relaxed you are, the longer you'll last. Over time, you'll notice your times improving as your body adapts. But here's the real question. Why do people push these limits? For some, it's the thrill of defying human limitations. For free divers, it's about exploring the ocean's depths without bulky equipment. And for others, it's pure curiosity. How far can the body go? So next time you're in a pool, take a deep breath and see how long you can hold it. You might surprise yourself. And if you really want to test your limits, train safely, stay patient, and remember your body is capable of far more than you think. Now, over to you. How long can you hold your breath? Drop your personal best in the comments, and let's see who can last the longest. And if you want more mind-blowing facts about human endurance, hit that bell button. We're just getting started.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.